Well, what is going on, guys? Today is the day that we go and install the ARMS Motorsports mid pipe, which is going to be getting rid of the 2 lower unregistered downpipes and the 2 resonators. This is what the interior looks like so far. Definitely love this car so much. This thing is sick. Gonna give you guys a cold start in the garage of the M Performance exhaust with the valves open, and then we'll today when we get the exhaust on, we'll do some videos then too.
Guys, just to give you a brief rundown on our suspension. First things first is we're going to go over.
That is wild.
Let's see. it sounds like now with the new ARMS Motorsport mid-pipe and the crossover pipe. I did forget to mention that that's what we were adding to. And honestly, with the M Performance exhaust, we didn't have to do any cutting. BMW, when they added the M Performance exhaust, where the cut lined up with the ARMS Motorsports mid-pipe, it actually was perfect. So props to BMW for cutting it exactly where we needed it. You can get the extensions on the ARMS Motorsports mid-pipe that adds an extra like 8 inches just in case. So we did buy those. They're about $55 for everything after after the taxes on that. But we didn't end up using those, which is good. But definitely happy with how it sounds, getting rid of all that restriction. Definitely woke up the car a bit more, and now I don't feel like I'm driving a Prius, while retaining the stock factory exhaust, because really don't want to have to change a $9,500 exhaust. So next up is downpipes, and then hopefully that'll be it for the exhaust. So we're gonna enjoy this for now, and yeah, have a good day.